Hello friends and welcome to the second episode of our portrait tutorial series. In today's episode, we are going to draw the remaining facial details like the nose, lips, and we are also going to learn how to achieve realistic skin texture. So grab your tools and let's get started. We will start off with shading nose first. But before that, let me remind you, in the previous episode, we draw outlines and this beautiful looking eyes. So if you haven't watched that video, you may watch that as well. Link is available in the description box. So first grab your mechanical pencil. I am using a 0.7 mechanical pencil. If you don't have one, then you should purchase it. It is very useful. But for now, you may take B pencil for it. I just love using mechanical pencils. The best part for using mechanical pencils is that you don't need to sharpen them again and again, and you can just use it non-stop without sharpening. Now I am using a cotton to blend the strokes well. You can use brush or blending stump as well. I will prefer cotton. Some artists also use brush for the same, but I use cotton. You can use brush as well. Now I am again adding a darker layer using my mechanical pencil. Now again blend it. Don't apply much pressure while blending it, otherwise you will leave off with dark spots on your sketch. Now I am using a 10B pencil for the dark part. Now using 6B pencil I will shade one more layer. Always shade from light to dark and layer by layer. Now using my mechanical eraser I am adding highlights. You can use the one you have. There is nothing much to explain in nose. You might have observed the whole process how I draw the nose. So this is it basically way to draw a nose. Just observe your reference image carefully and shade according to that. Now we will shade lips. So first using 0.5 mechanical pencil I am darkening the outlines. Now using a 2B pencil I am adding a base layer. Using the same 2B pencil I am darkening the middle line. Now I am using a blending stump to blend the strokes. Now using the same 2B pencil adding a darker layer above the middle line and blending it with cotton. Now repeat the same process with 6B pencil as well. Now for lower lip, first add some indentation lines using an empty used pen or an indenting tool. It will help in getting realistic lip texture. Now using 2B pencil, adding a base layer and blending it. Now using a 6B pencil I will shade along the edge of the lip. Don't shade in the middle section, leave it as it is. Now using mechanical eraser adding some highlights, and now using 2B pencil adding some darker lines. Now I am darkening the outlines using mechanical pencil. Finally using 10B pencil adding a darker shade in the lower portion and adding some darker lines. And now again make some highlights. Finally, our lips are ready and now we will shade the remaining face. So now we will shade the face. It is the most easiest part of all. So basically what we have to do is take three pencils. First, HB pencil or mechanical pencil. Second, a 2B pencil. And third, a 6B pencil. So first, using a mechanical pencil, add a base layer and then blend it using cotton, brush or either blending stump. If you are blending it with cotton, then don't use much pressure, otherwise you will have some black spots that you don't want. So after blending the first layer, use 2B pencil to add one more layer on it and again blend it. And for darker areas, you can add a 6B pencil layer as well. So the process is basically same further. You can observe how I shaded the whole face. There is nothing much about explain further. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the episode. I will see you in the next one. So make sure you subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.